Story time.
She watched the birds glide, wings spread wide. They danced through the blue. Longing tightened her heart. They fluttered around her, full of color. It's okay to dream, they said. Transformation takes time. Doubt wrapped around her like a vine. Would she ever become anything magnificent? With a heavy heart, she sheltered herself. Silence enveloped her. Change felt terrifying. Time passed, a dance of shadows and whispers within. She waited, hope flickered dimly. Light poured in. Awakening, she felt different, changed. Could she fly? With a hopeful heart, she surrendered to the thrill. She launched herself into the air. Panic surged in her veins. The ground seemed frighteningly close, but she steadied herself. She danced through the storm. Learning to embrace the chaos, she discovered strength within. Freedom engulfed her. Higher and higher, the garden shrank beneath her. Life breathed all around. She reveled in the vastness. Each beat of her wings whispered tales of unseen journeys. Together they danced, each pretty creature shimmering with the magic of change. The garden blossomed anew.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.